Horses out of Royal Academy. Fast to begin. Down inside. Gintong Biyaya. Evita. Joint account. Makalelon also there. And Interceptor trails the field. Into the turn they gallop. We have Royal Academy. Bayoralenka. Down inside is Gintong Biyaya. Alongside third comes Evita. 2 lengths the win for joint account. Another 3 lengths for the back in fifth. Makalelon, then Interceptor. They swing into the back. Royal Academy. Gintong Biyaya is down on the inside. Alongside third, Evita. Joint account racing in fourth. Makalelon still in fifth and Interceptor. We've got Gintong Biyaya now takes the lead by about 3 for Balenka. Royal Academy in the middle. Evita alongside third. Joint account. Makalelon now coming closer in fifth and Interceptor. But it's still Gintong Biyaya by about 3 lengths. Royal Academy moving up. Evita, Makalelon down on the inside as they come down to the last 200. Gintong Biyaya by about 3 lengths. Makalelon now moving up to take second alongside joint account. Last 50 meters, we have Gintong Biyaya and finally Gintong Biyaya, Makalelon, joint account, Interceptor, Evita, Royal Academy.